Meaning of division lobby.
Division lobby.
Division lobby.
Division lobby.
Division lobby. A division lobby is a term used in parliamentary procedure to refer to a physical location where lawmakers go to cast their vote on a particular issue. During a division, members of parliament are divided into two groups, one group in favor of the motion and the other against it. They then proceed to separate lobbies where they are counted by tellers. The result is announced once the tellers have reported back to the Speaker. This process allows for a transparent and democratic way of making decisions in Parliament.